Welcome to this instructional guide on adding a menu and managing multiple menus in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to access your WordPress account and make changes to your site's navigation structure with ease. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once the WordPress homepage has loaded, look towards the upper right corner of the page. There you will notice a login button that you need to click. This action will direct you to the login interface where you can securely enter your credentials. After clicking the login option, you should see an option that allows you to continue using your Google account. Select the continue with Google option, then choose the account that you wish to use for logging in. WordPress will authenticate your credentials through your Google account, allowing you to seamlessly access your personal account and site settings. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be in your WordPress dashboard. Now navigate to the quick links section within your dashboard. In this section you will find an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will take you directly to the area where you can adjust and customize various aspects of your website. This interface is designed to allow you to make changes in real time, so take your time to get acquainted with the available options. After entering the site editor, look for the navigation option. Selecting navigation will bring you to the part of your site where the menus are managed. This is an essential area because it allows you to control how visitors move around your website. As you click on navigation, you will encounter a list of menus already present on your site. Within this menu management area, you have the option to choose from your existing menus. Click on the menu that you wish to work with. Doing so will open this menu and display its structure, giving you the option to review and edit its elements. This stage is important as it sets the foundation for any further customization you plan to undertake. Now that you have selected your desired menu, you are ready to create another one or modify the current one further. Look towards the top of the menu interface, where you will find a set of options accessible via a trio of dots. These additional options empower you to create a new menu by duplicating an existing one, or to edit additional settings. Click on the three dots located above your menu to expand these possibilities. Upon clicking the three dots, you will see the duplicate option. This option is particularly useful when you want to create a new menu that mirrors the structure of an existing one, thereby saving time and ensuring consistency. Select Duplicate to automatically generate a new menu that is a replica of your chosen menu. Finally, after duplicating your new menu, locate the Edit option next. Clicking on Edit will allow you to fine-tune the duplicated menu to better suit your website's navigation requirements. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can efficiently add or manage multiple menus on your WordPress site. Each part of this process has been designed to be user-friendly while offering powerful control over your website's navigation. Enjoy experimenting with your new menus and enhancing your visitors' experience on your site.